you to hear it.
I told you not to video me. I am proving how incompetent I am at making toys. The lesson we're learning today is how precise one needs to be. But I've managed to save the day. Don't look at the project, absolutely ruined. But you're never going to see any of this because all the wheels will be behind it. Made an absolute,
what happened there?
made an absolute pig of everything. But if you now look at this, I've saved the day. Because I did those two holes up. With any luck, well, not with any luck, you pass me the axles, which I'm going to hopefully show. How did I do this last time? So now, the idea is to show you guys what I've been doing. One goes in there. Let's see, I'm doing one axle there. This one actually goes in here, I think. No, that one goes in there. Go a little bit higgledy-piggledy. And I haven't even tested this out, so you guys get to come for the test run. It looks absolutely terrible, but hopefully it will still work. That one works. Those two work. That one doesn't. That's annoying. Let's try this one first. And that one. That is very close. So that needs to come over a little bit, which is fine because we can